Hi guys, good morning. We're going out to do something. Somewhere in Callaway, it's flooding. Is it, Daddy? Well, look at that. Look at this rain. It's raining. Did the storm yesterday, Daddy?
From the storm yesterday.
I know.
Something that's raining and snow.
It's
An official in Callaway said armed men on motorbikes sped into the village of
Where's the
Derry
earth?
on Monday afternoon. They shot people as they walked.
What's the color of the
Or
earth?
even
13
waffle.
of the dead were children.
I use it a Waffle
The
House.
village was attacked in March.
You like to eat the waffle? Do you like to eat waffle or no?
Derry lies at the epicenter of Islamist violence in the Sahel, which is concentrated in the zone where Niger meets Mali and Burkina Faso. Multiple
Daddy, you heard
jihadist
that?
groups operate in the area.
Someone want to go to Waffle
When
House.
did the terrorist stop?
BBC correspondent Mary Harper. Hundreds of firefighters battling a wildfire. Prices for consumers who have embraced the popular correspondent Jeremy House.
What is
reported.
M?
T-Mobile investigating the lack of its data. The company has confirmed there was an unauthorized access to some T-Mobile data, but was still determining
Mama,
the scope of the
but
breach
this
and who was affected. It also said it was
What
confident that it had closed the entry point used to gain. T-Mobile
And the
became one of the country's largest cell phone
What is
service
that? How to
carriers
read a
along
word?
AT&T and Verizon after buying rival Sprint. More on these stories
Whoa,
at
there's a
townhall.com.
vehicle.
I'm John
There's a
Scott.
vehicle.
What vehicle was that?
You ask Daddy what the
Do
vehicle
you
is
work at
that?
the paper mill or at Port Panama
The
City?
yellow- the
Do you
yellow
work
and
in
red,
construction?
Daddy.
For over 50 years, that boot
That's
store
a
has had
garden
safety
truck.
toe boots for the
garden
working
truck.
men of Panama City from famous names like Justin
And how about
Timberlake,
the engine
Redway,
truck?
Harriet,
How about the
Tony
engine
Hawk,
truck?
Carhartt, Carolina, Wolverine, and more.
The
It's
Daddy,
time to
how
go
about the
home
engine?
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 9 to 5
Oh, you want to
p.m.,
go to
Friday and
Target?
Saturday, 9 to 5:30.
That's Target.
The Brian Rust Morning Show.
We'll go later.
She's
Okay?
back and she's
Not
ridiculing
now.
John Kerry over his latest
that okay?
suggestions on global warming. And Kerry simply
Is that okay,
suggested that
baby?
technological advancements will play a key role in lessening carbon emissions. And she said, great news, I spoke with Harry Potter and he said we will team up with Gandalf, Sherlock Holmes, and the Avengers and get started right.
From the NYPD to the Secret Service to behind the microphone, taking the fight to the radical left and the putrid swamp.
Sister,
Yeah.
they are flooded.
Yeah.
Wow. Just because of the heavy rain yesterday. Oh wow. Oh
Just don't drink.
Really? How long that will drain?
It'll take a day or two.
Wow.
Because the most obvious
Oh my
things were
goodness.
left unattended.
I see the front.
You want to see in front?
There's the front.
Okay, we'll check the time. Office time. We're not going inside. That is there. So small space. Yeah, we are to go wash. So while waiting, Daddy, we are outside with the UPS. Ta-da! Ta-da! Hi, my baby. Look at me. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, guys.
What color is it?
It's blue.
What color is it?
It's yellow. Yellow and white.
Blue and white.
Mm-hmm.
And the blue
Yellow.
and black.
Yellow and black.
And black.
Mm-hmm. Don't touch anything. Mm-hmm. We will wait Daddy here. Okay? Say. Chiri. 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 Chiri.
No. No.
Wait, because Daddy's pee-pee. Daddy pee.
I those are fine. Mama.
Oh, I like. See, look. It's windy. Wait, Daddy, I've read you.
At QC Kinetics, we're seeing patients every day who suffer from chronic joint pain but who desperately wanted to avoid surgery. We're treating joint pain with biologic therapies, regenerative solutions with long-lasting results.
Listen, it's all about getting your life back. Playing touch football with kids, walking upstairs, ain't afraid to get back to the job, and patients at QC Kinetics are raving about it.
Look at that. It's heavy. Look at that flood. Oh, look at that over there. See, because of the hurricane. Yes, so it's a hurricane, Han.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed day, everyone, and God bless.